What's up, YouTube? This is Dave with Fixin' for Fun, and today we've got a fun one. I buried my John Deere 450. Didn't I do a good job? It's a little wet through here. I just figured I'd point it out. It's not that stuck. It should pop right out. We got the Mini over here. We got a chain hooked up. We're gonna just start it up, give her a tug, and see what happens. Well, she's all out. Looks like she needs a bath. She's got a little bit of mud in her. Nothing wrong with a little bit of goo. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, such fertile soil. We've got a lot of work cut out for this thing. We're going to clean it up. We're going to be doing a lot of electrical work, as you can tell. She's definitely seen a little bit better days. The 1970s, I think, so it's a 51-year-old machine. Someone stopped caring about it 40 plus years ago. The blade is worn, needs a lot of love, needs a paint job. So hopefully this turns into a series of videos. She definitely needs some love, that's for sure. There's some wiring back there that's definitely seen better days. But hey, that's why we're fixing for fun, though, because that's what we do, is we fix stuff and it's fun. There's one thing I'm not short of, is projects. Over here's another one. It's a 1981 Chevy C70. So she needs lots of work too. So hopefully we wind up enjoying. Hopefully you guys enjoy the videos, and hopefully we can keep everything going. Have a good weekend. Later.